Hello and welcome to another Windows tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a command prompt shortcut on your desktop. The other option you have to open up the command prompt is to do the Windows key plus the R button, and then once you have the run command open is to type the command CMD, and that will give you a Windows command prompt. Now if you want a shortcut, you're going to right click on the desktop, go to New, and then under Shortcut, you're going to type in cmd.exe, and then hit Next, and name it Command Prompt, and then you're going to get a Command Prompt shortcut. Now, once you open this up, it will not be in administrator mode. So if you need it to be in an administrator mode, right click on it, go to Properties, and then under Advanced, you're going to click on Run as Administrator. Hit OK and make sure to click on Apply. And now when you open up the command prompt, you're going to get a thing that says, do you want it to allow to make changes? Hit Yes. And then when you open it, it will have Administrator at the top. I hope this video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.